In the last few episodes, we've looked at various input and output devices for personal computers. In this episode, I want to look at the ports and connectors and name names. And to do this, I've ripped the internals out of a personal computer. This is the inside, and this is the back. These are standard ports used in a personal computer. Let's start from your left all the way over here and look at various ports and connectors and what they connect to. This guy here is a PS2 connector used for very old mice and keyboards. And it plugs in just like that. The blue ones below it are for almost every other kind of peripheral device these days, Universal Serial Bus or USB. Up here, now we're going to do a bunch of video connectors for connecting monitors. This top one here, or actually it's the middle one, is called HDMI, high definition. It plugs in just like that. The one below it is also used for monitors, although mainly on Apple devices, and some Dells, called DisplayPort. This blue guy on top is for much older monitors. It's called VGA. The white one below it, also used for monitors, it's called DVI. This little red one here isn't used much anymore. This is called eSATA. It's for connecting external hard drives. Below it, you see a couple more blue USB ports. And now we have an Ethernet or RJ45 connection for connecting networks. Below it, you have two black USB 1.1 connectors. And then over here, finally on the side, are all of your mini audio connectors. They're color coordinated. Pink for my microphone. Black for other devices. Nice. And of course, green is where you'd plug in your speakers.